Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the AudioMod by Encased. Now this is a 4100 milliamp extended battery case with the built-in headphone jack. The jack is back. Now you can buy this on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $70. Now there's 5 key features to this case. Number 1, you got a 3.5 millimeter wired headphone port built into the case. Number 2, now you can simultaneously charge a battery and listen to music at the same time. Number 3, you get extended all-day power via the 4100 milliamp battery built into the case. Number 4, now this case features pass-through sync technology. So that means if you want to connect your phone to the computer, you don't have to remove the case from the phone. And number 4, now this is the best feature. This case has a built-in DAC and DSP, so this is going to give you premium audio sound. So basically what that means is going to boost the sound of your iPhone. Now this case is also available for the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and the iPhone 10. So today we got the iPhone 10 version. Alright, so let's check this out. The AudioMod. Now you get 130% extended battery life. That's 4,100 milliamps. You got a 4-stage power indicator. Alright, so 4 LED lights. Wired headphone compatible. Anything else? Enhanced audio, full perimeter protection, and extended power. The jack is back. Alright, so let's check this out. Shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Power when you need it. Alright, check this out. Now you get 65 hours of music playback, 36 hours of talk time, 18 hours of video playback, and 20 extra hours of web browsing. That's pretty dope. Okay, so here we go. Activate beast mode. Rah. Let's see what you get inside. Now here's your power cable. Alright, micro USB charging. Yeah, let's see, you get your usual books and shit, plug them, file them to the side, and that's pretty much it. Now here's your case. Soft matte feel on this one, no fingerprints, AudioMod branding. Let's see, you got a little power button, so let's tap that. Okay, no tap, let's see, let's hold it down. All right, maybe no charge on this one. All right, so we're gonna have to charge this one up for a second before we test it out. Matter of fact, let me plug this in real quick. Alright, so this case is completely dead. I gotta go somewhere, so I don't have time to charge it up. We can still test it out. I'm just gonna have to plug it in. Alright, so here's your case. On the back, you got a power button, 4 LEDs. On the bottom, you got your micro USB charging slot. There's your headphone jack. Volume up and down. Cutout for your vibrate on and off switch. And a ridged power button. Now, when you want to slap your iPhone 10 in, just take the top off. There's your lightning adapter. Slide the phone in, insert the top back on, and you're good to go. Now let's check the charging on this. All right, so we're going to plug this in. Now the phone is charging up. So this is pass-through technology. When you want to charge your phone, you don't got to take the case off. Plug it right in. Now, most importantly, let's test that headphone jack. So I got a set of headphones right here. Got the blues. Charging the phone and playing music at the same time. Let's see if that works. All right, let me make sure I don't got any thought activity. Here we go. All right, let's get a little song. All right, so we got Everybody Loves the Sunshine. Now, keep your eye on the charge. All right, we're charging up. We're going to play some music at the same time. We hit play. Now, these headphones only work when you open them up. All right, let me put it closer so you can hear it. All right, y'all hear us on? Matter of fact, let me put the headphones on real quick and hit y'all with a little verse. Here we go. Woo! Sing along if y'all know it. Listen. Here we go. Woo! Mm-hmm. My life, my life, my life, my life in the sunshine. Everybody loves the sunshine. All right, I'm trolling. Basically, you get the idea. Music and charging your phone at the same time. Now, the music does sound nice and clear. I got to do a separate test to see if that DAC really makes a difference, but it sounds good. $70 on this. Charge your phone and play music at the same time. Not to mention, you got a 4,100 milliamp battery built into the case. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. All right, now y'all know I couldn't leave without fully testing this out to see if that DAC makes a difference or not. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to play some music wired from the iPhone 10. Then we're going to plug in the AudioMod, play the same song, and see if we hear a difference. All right, so here we go. So first we'll plug in the iPhone 10. We got Jay-Z, You, Me, Him, and Her. We hit play.
Told ya.
All right, now let me put these on and see if I hit them. Woo! You heard me? Woo! Let's go. Seagull, you heard? All right, now let me take this out. Now we're gonna plug the AudioMod in. All right, let's slap the iPhone 10 in. Okay, it's charging up. Back to the same song. All right, here we go. Oh, definitely. Off your polo sweater. Woo. All right. Honestly, it doesn't make the biggest difference in the world, but you can tell it's definitely a little bit louder. I didn't touch the volume. It's definitely a little bit louder. Not a huge deal. But think about this. I just thought about it when I paused the video. If you got an aux cable in your car, now you can charge your phone, plug your aux cable in, and rock your music without carrying around this little dongle anymore. For me, that is a huge deal. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a win. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, run the beam up. Energize.